building products company, Alumasc, which we chatted to these guys the day before. We spoke to Simon Dre, the group finance director, and also Paul Hooper, the CEO, who's actually retiring, isn't he? But anyway, these guys do roofing and vent type products, and also big stormwater drains and stuff. They came out with a trading update, which they said would have been slightly softer than expected because of the everything slowing down heading into the actual budget. But I think we had an excellent conversation. What was your sort of takes on it?
I thought it was great. I've always liked Alumasc. I think it's, when you look at what the shares and the profits have done over the last 5 years, it's absolutely extraordinary in this really tough macro. They've just delivered and delivered. They've had a little bit of a wobble recently, as you correctly say. This was we marked it as a profit warning, actually. It was on the 24th of October. And I must admit, I had to chuckle, but I was a bit embarrassed at the time. He said, he's quite debonair and affable, isn't he, Paul Hooper? And he said to me, and he said, Paul Scott, he said, we understand you put us on the naughty step. And this is a classification I have for where companies give a vague outlook statement and then slip through a profit warning via the broker. And I went, yes. He said, actually, we understood the point you were making and we've taken it on board. So I thought I thought that was a nice touch. And he said, look, in terms of, I think he used the phrase, we can't defy gravity forever, meaning that in tough macro, it's very difficult to outperform year after year, but it wasn't a big profit warning. I think it was only 6%. And they do seem to have really good product innovation, really good pricing power. I think it's a lovely quality business if you look at the quality metrics, and a lot of scope for them to bring out new products. I see this as more of a buying opportunity than a threat. But you obviously have to bear in mind that sometimes once you've had one profit warning, there might be more bad news to come. So that is a risk, isn't it?